Hey, how's it going? You remember me? Mr. Train Hat from the LALS, or better known as Griffith Park, Walt's Barn. I made the video when I was there a couple of weeks ago, and that's what kickstarted me into doing this, working on my train board. I wasn't doing anything with it for the past, I don't know, 2 years, 3 years. I have to kind of put things on here because we have cats, and cats like to jump all over the board, which I don't like because I've got cats too. I got P52 here. I can't focus on him, sorry. Anyways, that's P52. He's a tribute. It's actually a cougar or mountain lion on my Grand Canyon diorama in the Disneyland uh, board, as you can see. What's missing, you say? Well, I used to have the Haunted Mansion about where the lamp is there, and that's wrong. So you have the Jungle Cruise right behind Main Street, which I'm off a little bit, so I will have to change that up a little bit and move it. Well, actually, it could stay there. I put the Haunted Mansion there, and I have decided since they're changing Splash Mountain to Tiana's Bayou. No, I'm doing a tribute to Splash Mountain. So, what are we doing? Well, I showed on the picture there. Right now I'm working on that right there. The water wheel. So, as you can see, I have parts. Lots of parts. I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up here. And then we're going to build this water wheel. These are going to be the paddle things in between. And I do have wood I'm using, and of course, there will be a center wheel for turning it. So I just thought I'd let you get caught up on that. And I will be doing Splash Mountain. Don't know how I'm going to build it. Hopefully it's not going to be too big, because it's going to have to sit right there. You see that block? This little station used to be there, because I thought, oh, okay, that would be where Frontierland would be. No, that'd be past Frontierland. So Splash Mountain is in Critter Country, so it'll go right there, and it'll probably stick up almost as high as the Matterhorn there, or at least as high as the castle, because of the tree trunk. And you're probably wondering, well, how are you going to do that? I have no clue. I've drawn it out, best of my knowledge, for the actual height, and that would be the top of the mountain, of course, where you're going to come off the thing and you're going to fall down. Well, you're not going to fall, you're going to dive down into the chute. So there's the top of the mountain. If you're looking at it, there's like some kind of piece of wood sticking out up there. Looks like a gun. I don't know what, or cannon or something. And somebody online built this, and it's a working 1/87th scale Splash Mountain. I don't know if mine's going to be working, but I'm going to try my darndest. Okay, the date is, today is December the 28th, 2022. Hopefully we'll have it built before December 28th, 2023, and up on that board, working. I had the train go around yesterday. You got to watch the train go around. I actually have this engine, which is, it's a Bachmann engine. It didn't have a drivetrain. I don't know if you can get in there or not, because the lamp might be in the way. I got a drivetrain off of a 3D printer company, and I think it's just a little too short because the train engine just kind of jerks around the track. So I may just go ahead and use my CK Holiday one. That's the one I just painted probably painted it like 4 years ago, and I keep it in the case over there. You can't really see it right now. It's right in the middle of Main Street inside that box. That too is a Bachmann, but it runs really smooth. I mean, I wish I had a better engine, but I don't have money for that right now. So, I'm just keeping you up to date. I hope you guys have a great new year. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. And those who haven't subscribed, please do so. Because you get to watch me keep on building Disneyland. It's got a big empty space there, and I want to fill that in with trees and the jungles of the rivers of America, which would be right by the castle. It's be off a little bit. And over on the other side is it's a combination original subs and Nemo subs in the sub lagoon. Space Mountain's in the wrong spot. I'll have to move it. And then I have Small World I built. I'm going to change the background. It'll be blue skies all the way across. With some clouds possibly. And more lights. It needs lights. I have no lights for the front. Oh, look at this. The kitty cat did get to my train board. There we go. You can see the Mickey Mouse there in the front. So I want that to be all lit up. I don't have very much room, as you can see. The edge of the board is right there, so I have to put a light probably right behind this battery pack, shining up onto the grass there where the Mickey Mouse is. All right, well, I guess I'd best be getting to work on this, and I'll show you progress on the water wheel from Splash Mountain. Once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Magic Mitch Arts, or I believe it's called The Magic of Mitch's Arts for right now, until I can wait. I'm going to put it back to Magic Mitch Arts.